In this video, we will discuss about the gene expression. So, what exactly is the gene expression? So, when we talk about this gene expression, we have to see what exactly it means that the genes are being expressed and the genes express. So, when we look into our, for example, into our cells, we know that when a gene is actively making proteins or express it will use the DNA molecule as the template. So DNA molecule will be used as a template molecule so that from this DNA molecule, RNA molecules are formed. And we refer this process as the gene expression. And the expression of a gene, it can be measured by counting how many RNA copies for that particular gene are present within a single cell. So we have to see the number of copies of the RNA within a particular cell, or we can say that within a particular single cell. And we know that, for example, a gene that is highly expressive, it will have a large number of these RNA copies, and a gene with low expression will have lower number of RNA copies. And the genes that are not actively making proteins or not expressed at all, they will have an undetectable amount of RNA related to that specific gene. So the gene expression is very important in the cell. Now coming to the fact that, for example, we know that proteins, they are made of 20 different amino acids, and amino acids, they are strung together to form basically the proteins, and they translate the code within the RNA, and they form a chain that will fold into final shape. So they will form the chain of the amino acids, and they will finally fold into proteins, and the organization of the amino acid chain, it gives a protein its function. So every protein in the human body is coded in this way. And when proteins are created incorrectly or improperly expressed, cancer is able to form. And we can measure proteins using a technique that is called as immunohistochemistry, and where stain is used to see the specific proteins in a cell. So using this technique, a protein's presence or absence and how much of a protein is expressed in a cell can be measured. So this is briefly about this topic. Hope you have enjoyed this topic.